Meanwhile, back on the 520 trail, the holier-than-hell Reverend Bark Me Laughing Wolf, submortal cheerleader to the apocalypse and diabolical minion of good, valiantly attempts to make it to work on time. But what's this? A fellow cyclist in trouble? It's time for the Reverend to minion up some good.
Hey guys, it's me, Reverend hanging in here. How's it going? Hey, I saw this guy. He was having some trouble, said he didn't need help, but of course, I don't listen to nobody. I do what I want, so I come back to help him. Because I saw he was fiddling around with the rear end of his bike there, and you need somebody to brace the front. Yeah, it's helpful. You know, I'm going to save him some time. We just want to save him some time. I got a little time because I'm an electric bike. I get places quick, so thought I'd get my hand. So I come over, I help steady the bike. What he is saying he is having some squeaky brake issues. I steadied the bike for him, and he fiddled with the brakes a bit, and then when he was done, we went to test it out, and I'm going to speed it up here for you. Went to test it out, and the wheel wouldn't spin at all, not at all. So it turned out not to be the brakes, turned out to be something wrong with his fender. Kooky gooky. So popped it up, took the fender off, everything was hunky-dory, but I would like to say that he had a multi-tool. And I've always looked at those things and I'm like, those look awkward. I've had one of them big Swiss Army knives before, those size tools, and I'm like, they're awkward to use. So I never wanted one. I carry a full set of hex keys. I have one different hex key for everything on my bike, or Allen wrench, whatever you guys want to call them. And they can get in where you need to and all that stuff. So I don't have any problems fiddling with my parts. But hey, he was having a heck of a time with his multi-tool. So I was thinking about getting a multi-tool for my next bike, but now I know, nope, I'll stick with my Allen wrenches or hex keys or whatever you want to call them. I think in the southern part of the United States they call them Allen wrenches, and in the upper part of the United States they call them hex keys. I'm totally lying. I'm making all that up. I don't know what I'm talking about. So what happens is we fix his bike. Everything's good. This guy's name is Dave. Hey Dave, if you're watching. Hey Dave. And we got his bike all sorted out. Took about 10 minutes. Probably would have taken him 20 minutes, you know, if he had to do it all on his own. So, plus, you got to flip your bike upside down for stuff like that. You end up scratching stuff. Anyway, I hope I was helpful. I hope I helped him. And you watch my videos, you might think, you know, Bark Me is kind of a dick all the time. Nope, not all the time. Just some of the time when it's necessary or when I feel like it. But sometimes I feel like being a minion of good. And there you go. That's it. A minion's good. Do some good. Ride safe. Be seen. Help out.